guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing a deep clean video. We are going to deep clean this house. Also, if you're wondering why my hair is done like this, it's because we have plans today, and I just curled it for the first time short like this, and it's gonna kind of like fall. Hopefully it falls. So that is why I look like this while I'm about to clean, but I just wanted to kind of set. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, you guys don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoy my video. I also have a list of videos down in my description box if you want to check them out and check my channel out a little bit more. Give this video a like if you like it, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Hey guys, happy new year and welcome to the first cleaning video in 2018. So the first thing I'm going to do for this deep cleaning video is cleaning off the countertops, putting away any dishes that I had on the counter, and just kind of removing everything so we can have a clear space to clean. Is this product from Odor. This is what I put in my garbage disposal to help clean it out. I do that every couple weeks just so I don't have any bad smells or buildup in there. So I do have a link for Odor and this product down below in the description box if you wanted to check it out. I've been using it for a few months now and I really like it. So what I'll end up doing is I'll just go ahead and put the product into the sink, into the garbage disposal, let it sit there, and then go and do some other things around the kitchen. So while both of those products sit, I'm going to go ahead and spray my cupboards with this Method wood cleaner, and I'm going to wipe all of my cupboards down. And then while I'm up here, I went ahead and used my multi-surface cleaner just so I can kind of scrub some of the grime and any kind of like food buildup that kind of gets up there from steam and everything. So I just kind of scrub that out. Was making some jokes. So what I'm doing here is spraying in my little vinegar and water mixture. I'm going to let that soak and kind of set in the microwave, and then I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning the oven. And I do have a link down below for where I get this cloth from. This is from Grove Collaborative, and it just helps really scrub out food or any grime when I need it. So now I'm going to go ahead and just run some water in the disposal and then go ahead and turn on the garbage disposal and let the product work. That's just kind of how you have to do it. And then it removes everything.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent.
So I'm going to go ahead and use the Barkeeper's Friend on the stove. This is like a final polish that I like to use. And then you want to make sure that you're cleaning kind of the tops of things that you keep on the counter by your oven, because there are like grease splatters and things that might be on there that you can't see. So make sure you're kind of scrubbing those and removing those.
I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.
So here I'm just going to go ahead and get some fresh air and open up the window, and I like to kind of clean the window seal a little bit because sometimes there's little buggies and stuff like that, and I don't want them in the house. So I clean those off.
I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So here I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick clean in my refrigerator. I'm going to take most of the foods out and then clean the drawers and the shelves and all of that good stuff. And then I went ahead and used this Clear Breeze. I put that in my vinegar mixture, and that is like an antibacterial disinfectant, fighter oils, essential oil, and that really helps with cleaning too in a more natural way. I tried to get the best shots I could here of me cleaning the refrigerator for you guys without my back being in the way too much, so hopefully it turned out good for you guys.
Live for a new day. We live life the hard way, but not today. Just stay. Just stay.
And then I went ahead and tried using the Barkeeper's Friend on the refrigerator again, and still I do not like it. I literally have to go over it with like a dry towel and then a paper towel, and finally it took all the like smears off and everything. So I'm just gonna go back to the original product that I'm using, which is the Method that I've been using, and that does a pretty good job. So here I am going to be cleaning under my couch. Obviously you see it is very gross and dusty and it has all kinds of things underneath. So I'm doing that, and then I am not picking up my rug, just to let you guys know. I've been getting a lot of hate on my cleaning videos, some of my older ones that have been rotating back in the algorithm of YouTube. And so yeah, right here I'm not picking up the rug and moving it. I'm just gonna vacuum because that's what I felt like doing that day. So that's what we're doing here. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean my downstairs bathroom, and that is where I spray my Method glass and surface cleaner on the mirror, and then I use the regular Clorox toilet bowl cleaner, and I'm going to go ahead and just clean the bathroom. So here, because I was in a rush, I had a brain fart, and I went ahead and put everything back into the bathroom before I actually went in and did my mopping. So I'm gonna go ahead and mop now. Anyway, so here's some bloopers. We were having a great time trying to make this video for you guys, and we kind of look kind of crazy having fun, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.